Hello, good morning. Today's our group want to discuss and decide about the best activity must be organized during Nature Week. Before we go through our discussion, let me introduce our group member. My name is Albert Anagang. As a candidate A, and my right is Jessica binti Soyom. As a candidate B, and the last one is Muhammad Akib bin Kamarudin. As a candidate C. So let us begin our discussion. In my opinion, I think the best activity must be organized during the nature week is planting free activities. I think that because it is important to absorbing oxygen, absorbing carbon dioxide produced in various processes in the environment and releasing oxygen to the environment. The oxygen serves to improve the quality of the air, thereby regulating the climate. Planting free activity also clean the air by absorbing the harmful chemicals such as nitrogen oxide and remove dust and safety particles from the air and trapping them in the leaf and bark. It also provides enough oxygen for breathing to the world by absorbing the carbon dioxide in the environment and producing oxygen. So I think this is my opinion that planting free tree must be organized during nature week. How about your opinion, candidate B?
Okay. In my opinion, the best activity for the nature week is organize a trip to the national park. As we know, what is a national park? A national park is a large area of land which is protected by the government because of its natural beauty, plants, or animal, and which the public can usually visit. With the natural environment shows that it likely to have a significant positive psychology effect, serving to reduce stress, anger, frustrating, and aggression, providing opportunity for social bonding and serving a place for learning and mental stimulation. Besides that, a trip to a national park also lift your mood effectively and release you from the effect of stress. A trip to a national park can calm the mind and prevent melancholy feelings and stress and make you forget everyday troubles. Besides that, for the future generation, they can deserve the right to see the national value intact the protect for us today. Nature area also have a profound effect on our physical and emotional health and well-being. In our increasing frenetic world, our national parks are important sanctuaries where people can take time out and enjoy nature. For me, that is the best plan for the nature week. What is your plan, candidacy?
Okay. My opinion is we have a camping trip to a forest reserve. This idea very suitable because camping has many advantages to the student. First of all, camping promotes our bonding. What's better way to bond as a group member than being out in the middle of the wood? Through camping, we learn to work together and problem solve in order to have a fun and successful camping experience. It's also a wonderful time for someone to learn from their friend and develop a greater level of respect. Then, increase self-confidence. Putting up the tent, starting a fire, cooking a meal, these are all activities that once completed successfully can help ourselves to build self-confidence. In fact, camping is often used to help children and teens develop a greater self-concept and self-worth. In fact, a program I used to work with for at least teen took the student on a camping trip at least once a year to help them develop survival and life skills that help build their self-confidence. When kids are confident, they are more likely to be successful in the future. Besides, foster a healthy lifestyle. Studies have shown that being outside improves health, physical and mental. In addition, being relaxed and forgetting about the worries of the world can also help a person improve their physical health. Camping also often involves some form of exercise, and we all know that being physically active helps improve mental and physical health. Lastly, encourage and appreciation for nature. How can you not appreciate nature when camping? Some some campsites offer views that are breathtaking and inspiring. Without television, electronic device, and even electricity, we can learn to take in all the sight and sound of nature. We appreciate its beauty and wonder. In turn, we care more about protecting it. I think we can improve ourselves with this activity, and I really hoping that this activity will be chosen for our event that is Nature Week. That's all my point. How about you, Candidate A?
Okay, thank you, Canadian B and Candidacy
Yes.
about your opinion. But I still with my point that planting free tree that the best activity must be organized during a nature. We know planting free tree is or can be save water. Why? When it rains, the trees soak up the and store water in their surrounding soil and preventing water runoff, thus providing sufficient water. Also, they save water through trees, slowing the process of water evaporate to the atmosphere. So that is I think that best activity must be organized because no need more cost and easy to do. That's all. What about you, Nedri? Do you agree with my point?
I disagree with your point because for me, the best activity for the nature weeks is by organize a recycling day. As we all know, we should know that environment is important. Recycling is a very important aspect, has a huge negative impact on the natural environment. Harmful chemical and greenhouse gases are released from rubbish in landfill site. Recycle help to reduce the pollution caused by the waste. I agree with this program that is organized recycling days is the best way. This is why by holding this recycling program or organize a recycling days, all students will be involved in and compared to the other programs. How about you, Candidacy?
Yes, I think I agree with your point that we should have a recycling day. Candidate A?
Okay. Thank you, Nedri. I also think that when recycling day, the best activity must be organized during nature week. Same to you also, Nedri, because the recycling day is the best activity that because it's easy to do
And low cost.
and low cost.
Yes.
So I think your way is the best.
So, as a conclusion, we all agree that recycling days is the best way for the nature's week because it is easy to handle. Every student can involve in, and
Of course.
our cost also is not too high.
Yes.
Okay, so it is recycling days as are the best activities for nature weeks. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.